Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this sea turtle, and you can tell it's a bitmap because the bounding box. So the one I'm doing it for, see how big the bounding box is? If we take, I don't really have to do this, but take a yellow box, object, order, back a page. See how big the bounding box is? I don't know for sure if it helps, but with it selected, I'm going to go and crop out. I just always do this, thinking Corel doesn't have to get rid of that extra white. I don't know. But see now how small the bounding box is. So, and for the one I'm doing it for, I don't know what size you're making. I'm going to make it smaller. I really think it helps Corel. So with that selected, I'm going to go to trace bitmap. No, I'm sorry. They want to put a cut line around it and print this out. So here's a thicker cut line and a thinner, and they can do whatever they want to with it. So I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline trace clip art, which I use 99% of the time. And all the background's already gone. You can see the checkered board behind it, so you don't have to do anything else. Now I'm going to move it out of the way. Now, so we want to contour it, but I don't like contouring with color. And you can see that there's no weld tools available. So we need to go to object and group and ungroup and watch the weld tool show up. And we're going to put a boundary. Now, we don't want all those pieces in a boundary, but this way we have a hairline of the item. And now we can go to effects and contour. We're going to contour 0.1 to the outside, and look at that contour. It's perfect. Now I'm going to go to object, break the contour part, and grab that contour. Of course, you'd want to make it, well, I grabbed the wrong one. You'd want to make it red so you could get it red in laser engraving at least. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they have a cricket or something that they're going to cut that out on. But let's say that contour is too big. Well, you can take a duplicate of that contour the inside 0.05, which is half that distance. Go up to object, break the contour part. And if you grab the inside of the turtle, it will get that. Now I'm going to make it red too. And let's make well, it's just the same thing I did. Let's move this, make a copy of this. Okay, got to group the turtle together, Control G. Hit the plus key and move it down. Hit the plus key and move it over. So now you have a smaller contour than the other one. And you could actually go a little bit smaller. Let's just do it and see what happens. Let's go, well, I don't think we can go 0.05 again, but we'll try it. Go up to, because we want to make sure nothing's going to cut out or break apart, break the contour apart. Let's move it over. And see, now it's probably right on the edge of the color. And see, it's going to actually take away some of the color. So that's probably a little bit too far. Anyway, I truly hope that helped them a little bit and anybody in the future. And thank you for watching.